This is an example of an arthroscopic acetabular labral repair with decompression of symptomatic femoroacetabular impingement, or FAI. An arthroscopic probe is seen demonstrating a large chondral flap within the acetabulum. Subsequently, an arthroscopic burr is used to outline and decompress bony impingement arising from the acetabulum. The chondral flap has been debrided, microfracture has been performed, and after acetabular rim trimming, a probe is being used to demonstrate adequate decompression of the pincer aspect of the patient's femoroacetabular impingement. An unstable chondrolabral junction is visualized, therefore the decision is made to perform acetabular labral repair. To promote optimal stability and recreation of the native acetabular labral seal, a series of arthroscopic drill tunnels are created into the periphery of the tear. The drill tunnels are spaced appropriately to allow placement of arthroscopic suture anchors. An arthroscopic suture shuttling device is used to penetrate the chondrolabral interface. A suture is shuttled and subsequently retrieved with an arthroscopic grasping device. For this particular labral repair, knotless suture anchors are selected to eliminate the need for a large knot stack, which could potentially irritate the synovial lining and create pain even with successful healing. An arthroscopic tissue penetrator and retrieval device is used to create a vertical mattress suture to optimize the native position and shape of the acetabular labrum to recreate the native labral seal and prevent bunching or medialization of the labral repair construct. A sufficient number of suture anchors are placed into the periphery of the tear to optimize the stability of the chondrolabral interface. This will promote recreation of the native acetabular labral seal on the femoral head and facilitate return to sport, meeting the demands of athletic participation and recreational activities. Once an adequate number of suture anchors are placed and the repair construct is deemed stable and complete, the femoral head is reduced, traction is removed from the joint, and the repaired labral seal is assessed. The case is completed with decompression of the femoral side of the FAI or cam lesion, and the case is concluded.